Now, this is how you can remove Bitmoji from Snapchat on the iPhone. And let's get started. If you're new here, definitely become part of the community. So subscribe and you'll never miss anything. So you open up the Snapchat app, ensure just like always that you are signed in and ready to use the app normally, and then tap on your profile to proceed to this page where you can find the settings, which is the gear icon in the top right. So you can get there, and obviously plenty of things which you can like change and whatnot, right? But you can go to the different places as such, and we essentially just want to find the Bitmoji. So you're gonna have to scroll through it. We obviously have like a search field at the top, which you can utilize, and you can see that it is part of the customized appearance. So you can look it up and you can create one. But if you have one created already, you will have the ability to just delete it or click the remove icon. So that is how you will have the option to just stop that from working. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I showed you how it kind of works. In case of any further questions, let me know about those below in the comments. Obviously, as I said, subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. I just go straight to the point to not waste any time. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.